Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you guys an unboxing of the copper plate that is being offered by Coolmi GPU. The main reason I wanted to get this is basically tell you guys the whole packaging and unboxing and experience and my first impressions, and then actually testing it out and really looking at what is being said out there, because I've seen a lot of people buy into this and all I can find is just one guy making this one video about it and everyone's saying that look, hey, look, this is what's happening. So I would like to really test it out on this channel and see how we go. Alrighty, now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely surviving on your subscriptions and your donations. So a super thanks would go a long way in helping me produce videos like these. This is what it came in. Just a very normal, very bendable plastic bag. I ordered the Arctic MX4 thermal compound with it. Okay, so that is it. Let's give this an open before we continue. Nothing else in there. Okay, so the purpose of this video is just basically look at what you should expect from these guys, okay? To be straightforward with you guys, I was very disappointed with their customer service. I've made numerous attempts to contact them and they've never gotten back to me, not once, okay? Both as a customer and as a YouTuber. So you get a little bit of a thank you. And it's made in the US. Being in Australia, I don't really care where it's being made. So I guess you get this plate to ensure that none of these plates bend, and you get basically this, which is a bracket to cool everything there. It's got the Coolmi GPU logo there as well, and you've got the copper plate as well. All right, so I've asked for two things, so I'm guessing this one's for the GPU and that's for the back, but let's see how we go once I open. And guys, if you're interested, comment below and let me know in the whole pasting and repasting. I want to do it live, and I'm thinking of putting this into the Aorus Master 3080 Ti. Okay, so the RTX 3080 Ti by Gigabyte. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. But in regards to this, the quality and stuff like that, I'm a bit disappointed. It's obviously got scratches. I'm pretty sure you can see that as well. It's got a lot of scratches that way as well. It's not like really machined out, and same thing goes with this as well. It's not the most smooth in the world, but let's see how we go. So I'll do some tests before I swap them over and get that out to you guys. Also comment below whether you guys are just interested in the results or do you want the actual video of me having the test, so just recording maybe little 15-second snippets. But do remember, it costs me in time and production a lot to just include those as well, to cut them and record them. Also, it affects the GPU's full potential because you're using some of its power to record. Anyways, comment below, let me know. Super thanks if you liked the video, would really help out, would really ensure what I do here survives. Anyways guys, thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Subscribe, ring that bell button, like this video. Thank you so much. Take good care. Bye bye.